Hi there! I'm the Deals Master, and in this video, I'm going to show you some of the best Amazon deals that I found recently. Without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. KOCH SYSTEME CS 11-inch nonstick frying pan granite skillet with lid. Nonstick frying pan is ideal for frying fillets, steak and eggs. Unlike traditional skillets, it allows you to cook with less oil or butter. Oven safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Food grade quality multi-layer bottom which ensures rapid and even heat conduction. Original price, $52.99, now discounted 31% to $36.09. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 2. Gnowann Workout Shirts for Women. Workout shirt for women is perfect for yoga, walking, running, cycling, climbing, exercise, and any type of workout or everyday casual use. It is a great match with denim jeans, leggings, shorts, and skirt. Long back hem for extra coverage, crew neck design both beauty and utility. Original price, $26.99, now discounted 50% to $13.49. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 3. MACMRD Handheld Fan Battery-Operated Rechargeable Mini Portable Personal Fan with 3 speeds for women, men, girls, kids outdoors. This mini handheld fan produces strong 3-speed wind to keep you cool in places that don't have air conditioner. The fan only measures 10 * 20.8 cm/3.93 * 1.57 * 8.18 inches, 170 G. You can put it into your pocket or handbag, take it easily wherever you go. Original price, $19.99, now discounted 70% to $5.99. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 4. PUZMUG Oil Sprayer for cooking, baking, roasting, grilling. Olive oil dispenser has excellent seal. Don't worry, there will be olive oil, sunflower oil, sherry, marsala wine, lemon, and lime juice leakage. Made from quality glass and stained steels. Smart design of transparent glass pot. You can tell the amount of remaining liquid easily. Original price, $13.99, now discounted 50% to $6.99. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 5. Supernight 32.8 feet LED strip lights for bedrooms, gardens, and parties. RGB LED strip lights is not waterproof, used indoors only. Super easy to put up and use, stuck well and pretty strong adhesive. You can control the color like red/green/blue/white/purple/yellow/pink/orange. Great gift for your son or daughter to decorate his or her bedroom. Original price, $18.99, now discounted 49% to $9.5. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 6. BIGEBAN 2-pack touchless bathroom trash can with lid, 2.5-gallon slim smart garbage can, automatic motion sensor trash can. Touchless bathroom trash can is made of A-grade high-quality ABS plastic material. Smart touchless trash can with lid has a smooth surface and is easy to clean. Lid seal prevent the smell escape from the trash can. Removable trash bag fixed liner can prevent garbage bags from falling off. 100% satisfaction guarantee. Original price, $36.99, now discounted 40% to $22.19. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 7. Fuzzy socks for women, fluffy socks for women, slipper socks, thick women's slipper socks. Women's wool socks are great Christmas gifts for women, mom, grandma, wife, sister, girlfriend, etc. Women fuzzy socks are soft enough as sleeping socks as well as a great choice for slipper socks. You can also go out wearing it in heavy boots in the freezing winter. Original price, $5.99, now discounted 3% to $5.81. Number 8. 13-inch laptop sleeve for MacBook Air. 13-inch laptop sleeve with notebook computer case briefcase. This protective case is made of soft and environmentally friendly materials with waterproof performance. It can also protect your tablet/laptop from dust, dirt, scratches, and collisions/impacts. The reinforced seam prevents the handle from tearing and breaking, is durable and can bear weight. It is suitable for 13 to 14-inch computers. Original price, $28.99, now discounted 60% to $11.59. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 9. Portable phone charger power bank 10,000 mAh. Alongza portable charger power bank 10,000 mAh. 10,000 mAh battery capacity enough to top up iPhone 13/12/11/X/XS/X 2.5 times or Samsung S10 2.1 times. USB charging cable, fast charging iPhones, Samsung, Google, and other Android phones directly. The polymer cell 37 Wh is much safer to carry on airplane. Original price, $32.99, now discounted 60% to $12.87. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 10. Clippers for men, clippers for women, clippers for men, clippers for men, clippers for women, clippers for men, clippers for men, clippers for women, clippers for men, clippers for men, clippers for women, clippers for men, clippers for. Clippers blade are shaped obtuse-edged 360-degree skin-friendly. Perfect clippers for hair cutting, trim body hair, close trimming, crisp lining, beards, sideburns, etc. The trimmer can be used at home, also as barber supplies for the barbers. Original price, $18.99, now discounted 50% to $9.45. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 11. SIORO Women's Flannel Fleece Robe. The women's fleece robe is made of 100% poly, a kind of soft and skin-friendly flannel fabric. It's a great choice for the Christmas, Thanksgiving, birthday, New Year's, Valentine's Day, and anniversary gift. High-quality fabrics keep away from the trouble of hair loss. Original price, $32.99, now discounted 50% to $16.49. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 12. Luxury Bath Massage Spa Shower Head WaterSong 10 Settings. WaterSong 4.5-inch multifunctional shower head with one-click design integrates conventional pressurized shower water. Premium ABS material with high durability, extra long 70-inch shower hose makes you feel super flexible to use the shower head in any bathroom. Different water flow and water volume suitable for the old, kids, adults, and pets. All options are in your hand. Original price, $39.99, now discounted 50% to $19.99. That's all for today. Notice that most of the coupon code of the deals can be expired very soon, so be sure to subscribe to catch up-to-date offers. If you're looking for something specific, just let me know in the comments below and we'll keep an eye out for it. See you next time.